Hello guys, this is Silva here again. I'm back again with another simple boom and crash strategy. Alright, so here in this video right now, I'll be sharing with you a very simple but powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your $20 account, your $10 or even a $5 account, as long as you can use it to open a position on the boom and crash market. Alright, so if you are just coming across the video, make sure you stick to this video till the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, alright? Because whenever you be skipping, maybe you are going to be missing an information that will change your life, alright? So just stick to the video till the very end, alright? Now, with that out of the way, before I share with you the strategy, alright, before I share with you how the strategy works, I will first of all share with you the indicator setting. Alright, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this icon here. So after clicking on the icon, the first indicator here is going to be the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels. Right, you click on it. Now you can see the parameters. The period is 1, the apply to is close. Under this tab we have 1 pixel. The color is the color of your background. Now the levels, you are going to be setting it to 90, 10 and 50. Alright, the pixel is 2 and the color, you make it black, or you can use any other color of your choice. Alright, so after that you click on save. Right, now you are going to have this icon here whenever you create the relative strength index. Alright, so you have to click on that icon before you add the ghetto oscillator, right, which is this one here. So you search for the ghetto oscillator. After searching for the ghetto oscillator, you can see these are the parameters, so you make sure everything is the same as this one, right? 8, 8, here is 5, here is 5 again, and the last one is 3. You can see that the method is smoothed. The apply to, you can see median price, and the line width, you can see 4 pixel, and then under the style you can see the color. Right, this is the default default color, so you can just leave it like that. Right, so after that you click on save. Now the last indicator here is the Bollinger Band. Right, so if you have been following my channel, you see that I've made use of this Bollinger Band setting before. Alright, so the setting is the same as the first one, but let me just show you. Alright, so you can see the parameters. The period is 14, the deviation is 200.000. Alright, the shift is 0, the apply to is close. Then the style, you can see 3 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice. Right, then after that you click on save. Alright, so after doing all this, you go back. You are going to have a screen like this one right here. Alright, so now with that out of the way, let me share with you quickly how the strategy works. Alright, it's a very simple strategy to understand, and the outcome is very massive. Alright, so now here is what I want you to do. Now the condition number 1 is that you are going to first of all allow spike to occur. Alright, so whenever there is a spike, right, whenever there is a spike and you see that the Bollinger Band start expanding, right, when it starts expanding and it touches the 90 level and the 10 level here, right, once it touches the 90 and the 10 level, right, now the next thing, that is your first condition, right. The second condition is that you are going to be watching out for the ghetto oscillator, right. So once it spikes, you are going to see that the ghetto oscillator is going to be green, right. Here it will touch, here also will touch, right. It will touch the 90 and the 10 level also, just like the Bollinger Band, right. Then you start watching it. This is boom 1000, right. You start watching this upside. Once it starts changing to red, that is a signal to go in, right. Once it starts changing to red, the color of the the candlestick here is red, and you can see that the get oscillator will tell you that it's time to sell, right? So once immediately you see that it start changing to red, right, you have to go in for 5 candles, right? You have to go in for 5 good candles. Take 5 candles and then you are out of the market, all right? You don't need to be greedy with this strategy, right? Let me show you another example here. This is not a good example. Don't take trade with this kind of stuff, right? You can see this is not also a good example, right? The ghetto oscillator needs to also be touching the 90 level, right? So don't just take trade based on the Bollinger Band, right? They need to be in alignment. You don't need to take any entry. Now you can see this kind of one. You can see that the both are corresponding, like they are in agreement. So this is the type of one you should be taking entry. So you just wait for the ghetto oscillator to start changing to red, right? So immediately start changing to red, you have to go in for your 5 candles, right? You take your 5 candles and then you are out, right? So this is another example here again. You can see, take your 5 candles, you are out, right? Here again is another example. You get your 5 candles and you are out, right? So you are not to take any trade until you start seeing the ghetto oscillator start changing to red, right? That is when you should be taking entries, all right? You can see this is another example right here, right? So this is a very good strategy, guys. This is a very good strategy, and you don't need anybody to tell you that. So guys, with that being known, all I have to tell you guys now is to go and backtest this strategy, alright? Don't just take my words for it, alright? Backtest it yourself and see the outcome, alright? If it's working for you, fine. If it's not working, I have a lot of strategy on my channel, alright? So just go check the one that is working for you and then use that to grow your small account, alright? The strategy I post here are strategy that you can use to grow your small account, alright? And I have a lot of it. Okay, so if you backtest this one and it's not working for you, you can just go and check for another one, alright? So with that being said, I'll be drawing my curtain here right now. So for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe, alright? Subscribe to my channel, because this is what I do. I go out there, search for profitable strategy that will help you grow your small account, and then I come here and share with you people, okay? So if you are just coming across my channel, please do make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that whenever I post a strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewers, please give this video a thumbs up, alright? Make sure you give the video a like so that YouTube can recommend it to others, alright? So that is all I have for you guys today. I'll be drawing the curtain here now. See you guys in the next video. See you.